So, hello, congratulations for winning gold medal. Can you introduce yourself to us?
I'm Nafisa Naeem from West Bengal team Supremacy.
आप वेस्ट बंगाल से हैं?
हाँ हाँ
तो आप वेस्ट बंगाल से यहाँ इस इवेंट के लिए आए?
हाँ बिल्कुल हम सुप्रीमेसी वेस्ट बंगाल को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं. लायनल सर की टीम से आए हुए हैं.
अच्छा. तो आप कितने साल के हैं?
I just turned 18.
You just turned 18,
Yeah.
right? So you're a young player now.
Obviously.
Okay, now you're gonna go forward in this field.
Definitely.
You see it as a career or something out of passion?
No, I see it as a career and a passion too.
So, out of passion, you want to pursue this career.
Definitely.
So, आप पढ़ाई कर रही हैं आप?
जी डेफिनेटली. इससे पहले आई वांटेड टू कम इन दिस टूर्नामेंट बट द थिंग इज आई हैड माई प्री बोर्ड्स एट दैट टाइम सो आई कुडंट मेक इट. सो दिस टाइम आई हैड माई सेमेस्टर बट व्हाट आई वाज थिंकिंग पहले आकर कर लेते हैं फिर सेमेस्टर देखा जाएगा.
तो आपने सेमेस्टर को
जाकर अभी है मेरा एग्ज़ाम मतलब मंडे आई हैव माई एजुकेशन एग्ज़ाम लाइक असाइनमेंट का. सो ठीक है अब जाकर देखा जाएगा.
तो आपको अभी इवेंट ख़त्म किया, यहाँ पे जीत के जा रहे हैं, वहाँ पे फिर से आपको पढ़ाई करनी है, एग्ज़ाम लिखना है.
See, I don't have any options left, so I have to do it.
You don't have any options or you don't want to have, you want to do both?
Definitely, I have to do both the things. Education is must, and in this, I have to be in this field. So I need to see this too.
So you feel education और combat sport
दोनों equally important है. So आप क्या इस फील्ड पे अगर हो, so you have to be educated too.
Okay.
समझने के लिए सब everything.
Okay. और so आप दूसरे fighters से मिली?
हाँ बिल्कुल मिली. जिससे मैंने फाइट किया I fought her before in 2K 2022. So in Indore I fought her. I won there too. So this time we definitely I was looking for gold, so I got it.
So you said you are 18, right? So वहाँ से यहाँ आना फिर getting ready for all of this. How what would you like to say about this entire journey?
I would say my mother, my father, they supported me just because of them and my coaches and Rahmat, one of my friends. Just because of them, I'm standing here and achieving all of this. So I was coming from I came from a middle class family and it was all about मेरा losing streak चल रहा था. So I was questioning myself. People were questioning me. So this time I need to get that goal. So I got it.
So you got it. Congratulations.
And the thing is, this time I need to answer them too. So this is your answer for the.
Okay. So any message for youngsters, the youth, because even as a platform, social media is also an option. Right, so that is also another kind of skill that you have. This is another physical skill that you have. So आप कैसे देखते हो इसको, like दोनों चीज़ों को as a skill?
As a women अगर मैं बात करूँ तो this thing is very important for अभी इस generation के लिए. We have seen a lot of things are happening with girls. Mostly if I'll talk about Kolkata में, if you know Ajikar case, so self defense is must. You need to get this, like self defense अगर आप जानते हो, so you can protect yourself. You don't need, simply if I say, you don't need anyone to safeguard you. So it's you take care of yourself, you be the one, that's it, nobody else.
Great. So कितने साल से fight कर रहे हो आप?
Actually I've been there, like I used to do karate, which I did for 8 years, more than 8 years maybe, and then I switched it to Muay Thai. I come from a Muay Thai background now, and I'm doing Muay Thai for more than 3 years.
More than 3 years now. और आपको पता है कि now that you have represented on a national event title belt championship on Golden Mong Kong, right? So what kind of platform do you think this serves, like a fair play, or like what kind of platform do you think this has served you as a player?
Definitely a very good platform for the girls, for the boys, everyone out there. So I just want to say the new players, just come here, play in Golden Hong Kong. You'll get a golden opportunity for world title, definitely.
So planning to represent us India on an international platform?
I'm just looking for it, like I need to get that.
So you want an opportunity and then you'll grasp it?
Definitely, I'll blast it out.
That's the spirit we have. Okay. Thank you so much, Nafisa.
Thank you
Okay.
so much
Good luck.
for
Good
having
luck.
me here.